Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to convert your CSV file, which is comma separated values file, to an Excel file which can be opened inside Microsoft Excel. So extension is XLSX file. So both the files are very much similar, but you need to convert one after the other in many situations. So we will be using Pandas library for this. You can see we have got a output.csv file in the root directory which contains three columns, which is name, age, country, and it has got 5 rows of records out there. So we will be converting this to an Excel file. So now if I execute this Python script right here, it will now create an Excel file in the left hand side. It will take some time, and now you can see it has created file.xls file. If I open this file, you will now see it will create this default sheet name which is called as sheet 1. You can see it has created the sheet name which is sheet 1 out there. You can even open this inside Microsoft Excel. If I open this now, so you can see, you can open this Microsoft Excel. Sheet 1 name is there. You can even change the sheet name also. I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website in the description of this video. If you want the full source code, you can go to the description of this video to copy paste all the source code. So now let's get started. You need to first of all install the Pandas library for this. So pip install pandas and just install this library. After you install this, you just need to go to your app.py, and here we will now create this file. Let me just delete this. So just close this file from the Excel here. So you will see our, just create a CSV file right here, and here we just need to first of all import the pandas library here, and after this you just need to convert this CSV file to a data frame. So we can do this using pandas, using a method. First of all, we will read the CSV file. You will see that various methods are there. We will use the read underscore CSV method, and here you just need to pass the path of the file. So we will pass output.csv, and after this data frame, you can change this data frame to any file. Let's suppose you can change to CSV, dictionary, Excel. In this case, we need to change it to Excel file. So this will change this to an Excel file, and here you can name this as output.xlx file, and here this index parameter is a boolean parameter. It takes either true or false. We will provide here false, the default value. So that's all. So this is all the code which is needed here, and now if I execute the script python app.py, so it will take some time, and now it will create this output.xls file. So now if you want to change this sheet number, guys, if you want to name your sheet accordingly, there is a way for this inside the code. So you can simply pass your own sheet name. There is a parameter which takes here, which is the second parameter. So this parameter basically is sheet name. So here you can provide your own sheet here. Let's suppose I say here customer data. And now if you execute this, now you will see no longer it will be named as sheet 1. It will be named as, if I now open this here, inside Microsoft Excel, you will see customer data. So you can even change the sheet name also whenever you create your Excel file with the help of this attribute which is called as sheet name, like this. So this was a short little tutorial, guys. All the source code is given in the description of this video, so highly recommend that you read the blog post for better understanding. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.